Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'd like to talk about a Nillion, a Nil USDT trading pair with my customer set after listing zone of interest. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, this token, like usual, listed on many exchanges and with totally different listing prices. Lowest point, I mean. Take a look on KuCoin. It's like 10 cents. Kind of interesting. Why 10 cents? Binance, 40 cents listing, right? Take a look the max. Even weird. This week candle, it's because of lack of liquidity on max. It's not because this is a huge spike because somebody pressed buy, no, or somebody pressed sell. That's one case. Why also the listing 65 cents. So I don't understand, still don't understand, based on what the exchanges decide to list at some price level. So 66 cents on Gate.io, Feemax, BitGet. Let's check on the spot. Do we got like Bybit? Strange, but Bybit not listed on the spot. So I gotta analyze on the BitGet. I don't know why, but BitGet lists with the lowest point. Almost all tokens, and for me it seems logical. So take a look, indentation accumulation pump model, how to work with this model. I recommend to go and check free educational videos. So guys, we work with zone of interest. First of all, you have to understand that people who get an airdrop and can dump the price or distribute the tokens at any price, whatever they want, right? So they get a tokens for free. This is an all-time high. Most likely we can here reject. You know how to work with this model if you watched my previous video. So this is a zone where we need to fix profit. This one. This is gonna be the potential all-time high. And in theory, it can be the move like this one. So let's go to 12 time frame. If we will see some bullish scenario, or from this case, like a psychological price $1, we can go down or test $1.16 and going down to the zone of interest. So of course, it's just in theory, guys. It's just hypothetical price movement. Take a look, the 0.5 level by FIP 61 is going to be the first zone of interest. Okay, zone to buy. It's only the first zone where you can start. Use DCA strategy. Next zone of interest is going to be here. So 36.9, 28.5, 16.7, and 11.4. So this is a zone where you can accumulate token. After that, for example, it can be this move. Here you need to fix some profit. One case, let's mark it like a green. Next case, for example, it can be a drop here. Consolidation, fixed profit. So just potential scenarios, you know, for this token, guys. Of course, it's not necessary, so we will drop exactly to that targets, guys. Maybe the April, May will be bullish even for Nillion, and we skyrocket, I don't know, to $2. But after that, we can come back later to that targets. So work, guys, with proper risk management. So personally, based on my experience, you know, based on all tokens which listed during the 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 90%, I guess, tokens playing out to zone of interest. So I don't think so that Nillion will be some special token which not playing out. So at least no makes sense to hop in a token after listing on the next day at 79 cents, right? Because of risk reward. So better sometimes, guys, skip the token and not stuck in token for a long run. So because you can open just in education purpose, open all tokens which listed on the Binance this year, just this year. So you'll be surprised and use that model. So you'll be also surprised how the algorithm works. So this is a zone of interest, guys. And of course, if we drop to this zone of interest, here we need to withdraw initial deposit, and everything what is over now 96 cents is just open space. Open space. Nobody knows where the token stop. Nobody knows. That's why I shared with you my zone of interest for this token. Let's mark like this one. Now let's check with. Let's hide everything here on the chart, and let's check with indicator set on the lower time frames. It's kind of weird. it's kind of weird how the chart looks like. How it even possible? So also, what's the point? So this is a candle, but on 5-minute time frame, the chart looks like this one. Lowest point 82. Sometimes I totally don't understand what's going on with that chart, guys, 100%. So check ADZ direction market mood. So definitely, guys, so this is a free what I can show you on lowest targets. 1 hour time frame, a free. So this is just a middle line. It's yes, we can go higher. Let's go to 30 minutes time frame here finally. Yes, 30 minutes time frame works. I don't know what's going on. Yes, we can go higher. This was a zone of accumulation, a local one. So for example, you could accumulate here and now fix a profit like 13%. So that's one local case. No signal to sell on direction, and yes, that's why we can go higher, sweep the high, and drop it later. Market mood at Afria, ADZ. Soon we will see the top, but guys, it's just 30 minutes time frame. Of course, we have to work with the high time frames to understand the logic of the market makers. Here, it was also bullish RSI of 13% pump. We at the top, no money outflow. Soon we will see, I guess, money outflow. So don't rush. Trade on, no data. Let's check on 15-minute time frame. Kind of strange chart. Trade on, no data on trade on 30-minute time frame. Let's check on take profit, the last one. Also no data. 15-minute time frame, no data. 5-minute time frame here. Take profit line on the 5-minute time frame. Now it's 97 cents 9. Exit line is $1.10. Buy line at this current moment 49.6, and fundamental value of this stock in 37 and 1. So 3 minutes time frame, almost the same. So guys, I'll recommend you no rush. Just wait, and better add some notification, and only in zone of interest work with this token, for investment. If we're talking about investment, if you trade intraday, of course you can open even long now to sweep of this high. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about a Nil coin, how high we can pump, will we drop to the zone of interest or not? What is your lowest price target? What is your highest price targets for this token? If you'd like to trade with my customer service, I would show in this video, just write me DM. Subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.